The Arena Nova is the venue for round 3 in the 2016 title race. One of the most compact arenas of the series will guarantee an intimate atmosphere with an expected 5,000 capacity crowd for the event. Took the wildcard position for a second consecutive season, joining the Spanish top 4 and bringing a 5th different nation to the sections. Would you cross to use the line that's right in front of you? Eddie Carlson was only separated from the bottom of the standings in Austria 2015 by wildcard rider Franz Kadlec. He suffered an early setback in his battle with the German in 2016, riding first through the sections after his double-leg defeat. Nonetheless, a promising start in Austria for Carlson, scored a single mark on observation in section 1 to set down a marker for his German rival. Having failed to beat the permanent rider in the opening 2 events of 2016, Carlson was hoping for a more competitive end to the campaign. Franz Kadlec failed to get through even one section in his 2015 wildcard appearance and found 3 sections in his second career Grand Prix appearance. The more promising experience, the German's rise in the sport continues. Level scoring for Carlson on section 1, a single mark on observation. Carlson and Kadlec were still level coming into section 4 after consecutive failures in sections 2 and 3. Carlson recorded the first and only clean of his lap, laying down the gauntlet to Kadlec, and also putting in a performance that would eventually help him to better Alexander Ferrer's lap total. Franz Kadlec was unable to match the Swede's ride through section 4, accruing 2 marks on observation for leaning and dropping in arrears in the pair. Carlson dropped a mark on section 5, leaving the German just a mark behind, but with 2 sections to ride. After a section 6 fiasco, the Swede went on to record a lap total of 17, enough to take his season's best result of 6. Right in front of you. There is no light on the other side. I say, look straight ahead and you will see. You will see. Meanwhile, the youngest rider in the field dropped 8 marks over the remaining 2 sections. 3 marks over in section 5 and a failure to close the lap. His 21-mark qualification total was enough to give him 7th position. His first out in X-Trial competition. How many worlds would you cross to use the line that's right in front of you? There is no light on the other side. I say, look straight ahead and you will see. How many worlds would you cross to use the line that's right in front of you? 2 rounds demonstrate Takehisa Fujinami's proximity to the top 4. The Japanese rider again failed to make the breakthrough into the final and fell short in Austria. In section 1 immediately left him with an uphill struggle as he sat a mark behind Carlson, Kadlec and Ferrer at the same point. The results would eventually prove decisive in his more traditional battle with Gironi Fajardo over the last qualification position. Alexander Ferrer took 6th place in both Sheffield and Barcelona, finishing agonisingly close to his targeted final space in the Palau Sant Jordi, just one section away from making the cut. But his result in Austria was little short of a disaster, as he failed 4 sections and dropped to the back of the pack. Takehisa Fujinami was the first rider to battle through section 2, moving ahead of Alexander Ferrer by a 2-mark margin that he gradually extended through the lap. 2 marks accrued on observation during the section moved him onto a total of 4 after 2 sections. The average qualifying total required in the opening 2 events of the season, 8 marks. Fujinami needed to improve on the remainder of the lap. The halfway mark he sat on 6 and added just 2 more marks in the remaining 3 sections to finish with a highly creditable qualification total of 8. Leaving himself with only 5 marks to play with and 4 sections to ride. 2 marks dropped from the 2 following sections meant he would enter the final sections with 2 marks to spare, and knowing that a failure on the section would cost him a place in the final.
If we look to the answer as to why for so many years we achieved so much, prospered as no other people on earth, it was because here in this land we unleashed the energy and individual genius of man to a greater extent than has ever been done before. Freedom and the dignity of the individual have been